Lake District, London. The Lake District is a region in the northwest of England known for its stunning natural beauty. The area is characterized by its rolling hills, sparkling lakes, and dense forests. Lake District London is often referred to as the English Lake District and is one of the country's most popular tourist destinations. Visitors to the Lake District can explore the area's many walking trails, go kayaking or sailing on the lakes, or simply relax and take in the breathtaking views. The region is also home to several charming villages and towns, including Windermere, Ambleside, and Keswick, each offering unique shops, restaurants, and local attractions. The Lake District has a rich cultural heritage and has inspired many writers and artists, including William Wordsworth and Beatrix Potter. In recognition of its stunning beauty and cultural significance, the Lake District was designated a UNESCO World Heritage Site in 2017. Overall, the Lake District offers a perfect escape for those looking for a peaceful, natural getaway in the heart of England. Whether you're a hiker, a sailor, or just someone looking to enjoy the great outdoors, the Lake District is a must-visit destination. Note: London is not part of the Lake District, but is a separate city located over 200 miles south of the Lake District.